Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to extrude in 3ds Max. All right, so first up, I'm going to draw a rectangle right here, just like so. And then go ahead over to modifier list, click on it. Now you can go ahead and scroll all the way down and find extrude, or just use the search bar, okay? Extrude. There you go. Click on it. And here we have it. As you can see, we have the parameters. You can go ahead and add in the amount and the segments. Maybe I'm going to add in 5 segments. Now for you to physically see it, of course, tap on or click on shading. Now instead of default shadings, we're going to use one frame. There you go. Now you can go ahead and adjust the segments right here, however you want, and also the amount. All right. And there you have it. You can now go ahead and tap away. And if you want, you could go ahead and go back to default shading and continue working. That is it. That is how you extrude in a 3ds Max. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.